Welcome to hifikids.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up as a Scout Boy and how to log in and use the Scout console for the Scout Boys. If you have not signed up, then just click here at Join Now button and it will open a sign up form. Fill up all the information here, email ID. If your child is less than 13-year-old, you don't need to put email ID if you don't want to. But if your child is less than 13-year-old, then you must put your parent's email ID. And this form needs to be filled up by the parent or any adult accompanying with the kids. Put your username, password, full name, date of birth. If you want to hide age, that's fine. Put your gender, put your country of residence, state, zip code, about me, put how did you hear about hifikids.com, and followed by image verification code. This is one of the security feature to avoid any spam. And make sure that you read these rules and conditions. This is sort of agreement, and make sure to check this box before you sign up and click on the sign up button. Once you fill up this form and click on the sign up button, you are going to get email. If you are less than 13-year-old, then your parent will get an email, and your parent needs to go back and basically click on the link in the email and approve the account. Once the account is approved, you are ready to log in. I'm going to use the one sample account here for the Scout Boy we have. This is how you are going to log into the HiFiKids system. Use your username. I'm going to use sample Scout Boy username here, Vedant, and his password. Once you log in, you see the dashboard. This is the HiFiKids dashboard where you see all the messages posted by their friends. And immediately I'm going to show you how to use the Scout console in this. Go on your left hand side and find out the Scout. Click on the Scout and you will see the complete Scout's console here. The first thing you see is your Scout. Your Scout shows your Scout record. Click on the record you see for the tiger. If you, currently this Scout Boy is a tiger Cub Scout, and just select a record here. If you don't see this record, you can just select any den here and then says click on select den out of this, and then click on select. So this will create a record. Let me show you what do you mean by record. Record is basically all the activities, achievements, electives, and awards which Cub Scout has attended. So let me show you a sample form here for the tiger. The top section you see here is awards. So based on the activities the Scout Boy attends, automatically this award section gets updated. Currently you see this tiger totem is 33%, orange beads are 100%. That means Scout Boy has completed activities, all the activities related to the orange beads. 33% of the activities of tiger totem are completed. Others are 0%, yellow beads is 0, and then tiger rank 60% of the activities this Scout Boy has completed. You see all the activities related to Bobcat. These are all Bobcat requirements. So this form gives you complete list of activities which includes electives and achievements. Okay, so let me explain what it means here. So let me show you one example. Cub Scout sign. Cub Scout sign, uh, on the right hand side you see the C sign here. That means Scout Boy has completed this particular activity, and I'm going to show you how to complete the activity using another tab called perform activity. But if you see C in the bracket in the right hand side of the activity, that means this activity is completed by the Scout Boy, and because there is no check mark here, it means it is not approved by the den leader yet. So that means there is a pending approval from the den leader. If the activity is approved by the den leader, you will see the check mark. Let me show you one simple example here. This is one. You see the check mark here, and it also says the activity is completed. That means it is completed by the Scout Boy, as well as it has been approved by the den leader or assistant den leader. So this is how you can see your record at one place. You don't need to really maintain it manually. You can just attend the activities here and keep a record and this is there for your whole lifetime. If you want to take a printout, you just click on the rightmost tab of PDF tab. It will show you the PDF record of the same Scout record, and then you can take printout or save it as for your record, or give it to the den leader for entering into the council website. This is the whole same record what we saw on the form. Now let me show you how to submit the activities. This is a self-sustained system. Hi-Fi Kids basically, encourages all the scout members, den leaders or pack leaders to volunteer and submit the activities for the respective den. Let's say I select the tiger den here, right? And you will, from this form, you can make out whether the activity is really entered there or not. For example, all these activities are present in some way, like some sample activities probably are present, right? And if you want to submit some activities, submit means you are submitting a video or an image. Let me show you example. Let's say family scrapbook, make a family scrapbook. I click here, and then go down and select go next. So it is going to pop up a form. This form basically is asking you to enter a activity for that particular item from the Scout Tiger making my family special, make a family scrapbook. That's one of the activity. Question will be, this is a question text, and it is going to ask you whether did you complete this text, and there are sample answers like yes, correct option is yes, and wrong option is no. So then go at the bottom and enter the video link. If you have a YouTube video, you can select is this video or image as video, and put the YouTube link here in this format, whatever is shown on the right hand side. Or if it is the image, then select the image, browse the image, and enter it here. So this is how it gets submitted, and the Scout leaders, it goes for the approval to the Hi-Fi Kids Scout section, and then they will check whether the submitted activity is basically worth keeping it, or contents are okay, what are contents or video they have put is appropriate for that particular den or for that particular age, and that's how then it gets published. Now when I say it gets published, means when somebody goes and performs the activity. Let me show you now how to perform activity. As a Scout Boy, this login is for a Scout Boy, so whenever he wants to go and perform an activity for his den, let me show you how to do that. Let's select this as a tiger den. So I'm selecting tiger den here. I select next, and it is going to open a form. So this form is showing all the electives, Bobcat, all the activities which one needs to finish when he's in that particular den. So for tigers we have all these activities, and uh, when I select any of the activities and say go, let me show you example here how to do that. Here is one of the activity which I want to, let's say, complete. Cub Scout motto.